Okay, this is division operator in Python. The division operator is what we use to perform division in Python, and it is represented with the forward slash symbol. As you can see, this is the forward slash symbol. It is what we use to perform division. As it can be seen in the example, 6 divided by 2, that is how it is written. 6 divided by 2, and the output is 3. 5 divided by 2, the output is 2.5. 10 divided by 4, the output is 2.5. This is the input and this is the output. We give the input to computer, and it is the job of the computer to give you the output. Let's look at the exercise. The exercise asks you to fill in the blank spaces. 9 divided by 3, what is the output? You put it here. 3 divided by 2, you write the output here or in the comment section or wherever it is suitable. And this is the example 3. 9 divided by 4, and you write the output. So thank you.